Good morning, scholars. Happy Friday. Yay. I'm coming to you with our last math learning video of the school year. It's so sad, so sad. Last learning video. But I know you all are so excited to learn, but you're also excited for summer break. So it's kind of bittersweet, right? A little excited that you don't have to do math anymore with Miss Bowen, but also a little sad because you might miss Miss Bowen. I know you guys are gonna miss me. But I hope you guys have an awesome, safe summer and that you still practice your math over the summer and that you keep growing those brains for first grade. I'm just so happy and excited for you guys. But let's go ahead and get started. So in today's math video, we're just going to review. We learned this already this school year, but I just want to refresh your memory just a little bit to give you some skills over the summer to work on and to think about before you go to first grade, all right? So your I can statement for today is, I can decide if my number is greater than or smaller than. Yes, I can determine if my numbers are greater than or smaller than. Uh-huh. You can do it. Greater than means bigger, right? And smaller than or less than means that it's smaller, okay? So greater than or less than. Greater meaning bigger, less meaning smaller. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you. Let's take a look. If you want to go ahead and get out your math manipulatives, you can. You want to get a piece of paper, follow along with Miss Bowen. That would be amazing. It's going to really help you see the problems along the way, or you can just watch me. It's really up to you, your choice. But I think if you follow along with me in this video, when you go to do your assignment today on Seesaw, it will make a lot more sense if you follow along with me during the lesson, all right? All right, so I can determine if my number is greater than or less than, which is smaller. Okay, greater meaning big, less meaning small. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use just my whiteboard pen. And let's just look at some numbers. Is 5 greater than or less than 10? Which number is greater than? That's what we're gonna look for first. Is 5 greater or is 10 greater? Which number is greater? Means bigger, right? Is 5 or 10? That's right. 10 is greater than. How do I know? Because if I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes here, but then I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cubes here. Well, which one is greater? 10 is greater. I have more. Duh. You guys know this. Let's look at one more. How about which number is greater than 9 or 12? Which number is bigger? Which number is greater than 9 or 12? Well, let's use our manipulatives to see. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here. And then, oh, hopefully I have enough cubes today. Might have to use my markers, some of my markers to help me too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So which one's bigger? Greater than 9 or 12? Which one has more? That's right, you got it. 12 is greater than. I'm going to circle the 12. All right. Now let's go ahead and look at less than. Less than means that we're looking for the number that is smaller. Yes, less than means smaller. So let's look at the number 2 and the number 9. Which number is less than? No brainer, Miss Bowen. We got this. You guys should. You should. Let's take a look. Here's 2 cubes. Then let's put 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which number is less than? Sorry, almost messed myself up there. Which number is less than? We're looking for the less than now. 2 is less than because look, it's much smaller. There's only 2 cubes here, and here we have all these cubes of 9 over here. So I'm going to circle the 2 because 2 is less than 9. Yes. All right, let's look at one more example, and then I think you guys got this, right? How about the numbers 8 and 13? Which number is less than? 8 or 13? Well, let's use our manipulative so we can see it. Sometimes we just need to see those numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Which number is less than 8 or 13? Well, 8 looks much less than 13. That number is much smaller. So I'm going to circle the 8 because 8 is less than 13. All right. Now that you have seen it with manipulatives and small numbers, remember you can determine if your numbers are greater than or less than, which means smaller. Let's try some of our really big numbers just to see, okay? So I want to play what is greater than? Is 52 greater than 62? Which number is greater than, which means bigger, 52 or 62? 62 is greater than. It's bigger. It's 10 more than 52, right? That was a little bit harder, right? When we start to get into our bigger numbers. Let's look at it again. What is greater than is what we're looking for. I can determine what's greater than. 25 or 35. Which number is bigger? Greater than. 25 or 35? 35 is greater than 25. So I would circle that. All right, let's quickly take a look at less than. Less than. All right. Is 18 or 29? Which number is less than? 18 less than 29 or is 29 less than 18? 18 is definitely smaller than and less than 29. Let's look at one more for less than. All right, here we go. Is 100 or 50 less than? Which number is less than? Which number is smaller? 100 or 50? 100's really big. 50's big too. Which one's less though? 100 or 50? Votes are in. All right. 50. 50 is less than 100. All right, friends. I hope that you enjoyed this quick review lesson on greater than or less than. And when you're doing your work today, I want you to think about the numbers that you have seen and how our numbers are bigger, greater than, and how they can be less than. All right. I've enjoyed teaching you all so much this year. I get so sad thinking about my babies and how you guys are growing up. I hope that you have a wonderful summer. Remember that Miss Bourne loves you very much. Be safe this summer. And congratulations, you're going to first grade. I love you guys. Have a great Friday. Bye.